Hi, welcome to Learning Monkey. I am Raghu here. In this class, we will discuss about packages, how to create packages and how to use the classes that present in the packages. Here we are going to understand the concept in this class. In our next classes, we are going to use many of the packages examples. So that's why we are not showing the examples here. For better understanding of the concept, this class is very helpful. Coming to today's class, first we need to understand what is meant by a package. Package in understandable language, you can consider it as a folder. In Windows and in our operating system, we are going to use the name called folder. Similarly, package is a folder. See, use of package. What's the use of package? Means why you need to create folders. See here. If this is a file, in this file we created a math folder, we created a network folder. What's the use of these packages? Math package, network package. Suppose if you have written all the logics that related to mathematics, means addition, multiplication, subtraction, division, sine, cosine values, all those things, you write like this: class add means addition class, class multiplication, class sine, class cosine. How many classes you are going to get? Some hundreds of classes that related to mathematics. So you can keep all them in a package called mathematics. That is the use of package. You can store related package, all the classes that related to this in a math package. Similarly, all the classes that related to networking can be placed in a network package, means network folder. Not only single package, inside this mathematics you can create one more package that we call it as subpackage. Like that, any number of levels you can create. So that is what place mathematics related classes in math package. That is what the use of package. Now we are going to understand how to create the packages in our Java. Let's take whenever you open your Java compiler, if you are going with Linux or Windows terminal, when you open it, default you are going to be in your home folder, home directory. So we are assuming that we are in home directory. In this home directory, we created a file called test.java. So we opened a Java file. Means in this directory we are having only test.java file. So in this file we are having a code like this: test.java package p1. The first line should be package p1. Means we need to create a package p1. So default it is there in home folder. So it is going to create that. So wherever the path is given for your Java execution, there it is going to create a p1 package. If it is home, it is created there. If it is not home, wherever the location, it is going to create it there, the package p1. Means it is going to create a p1 folder here. So in that folder, what will be placed in that folder? That should be understand. See, whenever you compile this code, how many classes are this classes we have in this code? In this test.java, class A, public class test. 2 classes are there. Once you compile this code, this high level language is converted to object code. Means so that that object code is going to be executed on Java virtual machine. So once you compile this, each class is converted into object code. A is converted into one object code. Test is converted into one object code. These converted object codes are placed in a package called p1. So after compilation, in our home directory, test.java already file is there. So it is going to create a folder called p1. Inside this p1 we are having A.class. Means it is going to create a class file, not Java file. It is creating a class file with name A. Second name is test.class. Because how many classes are there here? 2 classes. Each class is converted into a class file. So this is object code. A.class is a object code, not a high level language. After conversion, that code it is going to. So once you created a package and you compile 2 classes, and that object code is available in our package, now we can use that classes. How we are going to use that, we are going to understand in a minute. So in order to compile this class, we are going to use a command. If you are in Unix terminal or Windows terminals, in Unix terminal, we are going to use this command, javac space -d space dot space test.java. Once you use this command to compile, this is going to be created. This is how we are going to create packages. Suppose if you want to add one more class to this package P1, how we are going to add one more class to this package P1, adding one more class. So take a file test2.java. In this package P1, you mention that package P1 and write class test2. Once you compile this, already P1 folder is available here. So this class, after compilation, that object code is going to place here. It is not going to create a new folder. It is going to place it in the existing folder. So after compilation, P1 is having a A.class, test.class, test1, test2.class. So how to use the classes that present in a package? So in order to using classes in package P1, in order to use the packages, we need to use the keyword called import. Import is a keyword used to call the packages. Import p1.star. So P1 is the package name, dot. In P1, how many classes are there? A is there, test is there, test2 is there. If you want to access only class A, you can write it as import p1.a. If you want to use all the classes present in the package, you can write it as p1.star. So now see, look at it. test5.java. This is the file. Here we are using import p1.star. Class C extends A. Observe properly. In this file test5.java, we don't have a class named A. So our compiler is going to check this file. If class A is present in here, it is going to use it as extends A. If A is not present here, it is going to check the package P1. Here A is there. This class is going to be inherited in class C. Even though we did not mention any class here, class A, it is going to get class A from package P1. That's what import p1.star. You imported the classes that present in that package so that you can use. Class C extends A means inheriting A. This is how we are going to use import statement to access to use the classes that present in the package. Suppose in P1 folder, in P1 package, if you are having one more package P5, p1.p5.star. Go in P1 package, go to P5 package, in that get all the classes. That is how we are going to access subfolders using dot operator. It's not operator, using dot. Hope you understand the concept of packages and how to use the classes that present in the package. Next class we are going to use packages concept, how to create packages, all these things in Eclipse IDE. So hope you understand these classes. If you have any questions regarding the concept, please post your questions in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for the latest updates. Thank you.